Hey friends, welcome back. So today it's another fix. Let's go.
Hi friends, so today we are going to fix this LED ring light. The wire has broken. So let's begin. So the things we need are one big screwdriver and some two small ones, one soldering iron, soldering wire, one wire cutter, and one cable tie that we need. Okay, so let's begin. So if you can see here, the wire is broken. Let me show you clearly. If you could see inside, see there's a small wire out there that's broken from this attachment. So the LED light is not working. So we are going to fix this. First we have to open this up, and I'm doing it for the first time. So let me try and fix it. It costed me like around 900, so I'm not letting it go like this. Let's open this. So here I have seen on YouTube videos it says press it here, the black one, and this should come out after pressing this.
Well, that doesn't work by just pressing this doesn't comes out. So that's why I'm making this video because it took me a lot of effort to bring this out without breaking that LED cover. So I'm using this small screwdriver first to make some space so that it I can slowly pin it down, and then once some space is created I will push my big screwdriver in to slowly open it around. See, this is the dent I have got while trying to put the small screwdriver inside. So be patient and try hard because this thing is glued, the whole ring is glued. If you can hear it, the cracking noise, that scares sometime if something is breaking or it's opening up. But yeah, I did it very slowly, and I just slided the small screwdriver along the circumference of the ring, and started putting the big screwdriver behind so that this space is open and it's well held by the big screwdriver. So it took me almost, the major time of fixing was the opening of this LED cover. So it's very hard to open it. So when I began fixing this, I tried to search how to fix this, how to open this, but everywhere you can see how the LEDs are fixed, but in none of the videos I've seen how to open this up. So I am showing you how to open this, and you have to be literally very patient while opening this. Just slide and slide slowly and start pushing the big screwdriver behind that. So the and just remember that this is the outer circumference that we are opening. So once this is up, we'll have to go deeper inside to bring out the inner circumference as well, because it's glued on both the sides. So yes, the major part is achieved. So we'll just push it down from the inner circumference to open it up completely, and this cracks open. So my LED cover is safe, it's not broken, it came out nicely. But if you can see, all the black plastic part is all stuck on the LED, but thankfully it's not broken. So let's begin the fixing. So the wire that's left behind, I'll just use a wire cutter to peel the skin, just the skin. So the inside three wires that you see, red, black and white, that should be there. uh, just see that you don't cut them accidentally while cutting the outer cover. So we have removed that, and we'll peel the three wires inside to solder them from where it has broken. So I have put my soldering iron on as well, and I'm just peeling off the skin of the inner three wires. Rotate it nicely and keep them ready for fixing. So first we have to remove the part of the wire that is already existing there, so that got broken. So using the soldering iron and tweezer, I am just unsoldering that existing wire to remove it. I'll just focus it and show you. Also remember the order in which they are soldered. See, so the first one is black and then red and then white. So just remember this when you remove the existing one. So I've soldered it, and being hot now, I'm using a tweezer to just pinch them out. Let's now push the new wire that we have already prepared inside, and we'll use the tweezer to pull them out from that small hole. So make a slight bend there, so when you push it inside it would be easy to pass that hole. So you can pull them out using your tweezer or your hand itself. So I just pulled them out with my hand itself. Now using the soldering iron, just melt the soldering wire on the soldering iron, and put them in order, the black, red and white, and just solder them. So put that wire on the dots, the soldering dots, and put your solder on that, just a slide, and it's done. Just be careful when you do this. The soldering iron is too hot, so handle with care. Use tweezers to hold the wires, and keep the soldering iron on some metal or some brick, so that your workplace is safe. So be very careful while doing this. Do not touch this with your hand while it's when you solder this, because it's too hot. So it's done. So just little bit shake the wire and see if the your soldering is not coming out easily. So let's check if this is working now. So I have put on the USB, and ta-da, it's working. So we have fixed it. So let's do the remaining part now. We have to fix the wire using that cable tag, so that the cable doesn't pulls out, or if somebody accidentally pulls the wire, it doesn't break again. So when I was opening it, I saw this cable tie at the top of the wire. So I'll just put it back, a new cable tie. Just tighten it nicely there, and snip the remaining part, and it's done. So what will happen if somebody pushes this wire from beneath? So it will get stuck there, so the soldering part would not come out easily, because the wire cannot be pulled beneath. Basically it acts as a lock. So now time for this rim to fix on the LED, this frame, LED frame. So it will not fix the way it was initially, because it was glued earlier. But this time I'm not going to glue it completely, because if it's get broken, if it gets broken again, then I have to do the same process. So this time I'll just put some transparent cello tapes on the rim. Just 2 or 3 would be fine. So it holds the rim, but it is not completely safe. So I will just put some cello tapes, 2 or 3 around, to fix it completely, so that it doesn't falls down. You see, such a simple way to fix this ring LED. Once it was broken, I was broken that, oh my god, I lost it. But yeah, it was truly simple. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.